Good morning, everyone. Clayton Bikercowboy here with Pops. This is the first episode in the new shop here. It is a complete disaster. I hope you all can see that. I can barely walk or move. There's shit everywhere. I don't know where anything is. But we got all the bikes here. We got everything moved. So we're completely moved out of Portland and out here in Tillamook now. So anyway, this is kind of what we got going on. Dad's been helping me move in. We got a ride mower, had to cut the grass. We had about an acre to cut yesterday, and it was probably 1.5 feet tall. So got that done. Got some more tools hauled out here from Montana. Thank you, Richard. And thanks, Dad, for all the help. So anyways, we're gonna kind of tear into this. Just got this shelving put together here. And yeah, we're trying to have some fun between moving and all that. So I think I showed all you guys the bagger last time. So I know I did. Actually, I did a video on it. So the bagger's good. Front end's rebuilt on Chubbs here. And I just got to throw the number plate on, and she's ready to race in about 3 weeks. The Sporty Sport's running like a champ. Never hauled it in the van. Hauled it over here in the van with the last load. Had to pull the sissy bar off. That worked good. Kind of got my spare junk spread everywhere. So anyways, I've been taking advantage of great weather out here. And oh yes, thank you, Robert Morrison, very much for this super awesome lift. I appreciate it, buddy. And thank you, Chris, for compressed air. So thank you guys, thank you everybody that helps and donates and all that stuff. I appreciate all of you. Yeah, so we're gonna just kind of hang out, me and Dad. We're gonna start putting stuff on shelves and trying to get slightly put together here. I guess I could show you outside a little bit while we're here. TV stuff's just sitting everywhere. I just kind of dropped it wherever. So got the race van sitting out here. Yeah, it's raining. It's disgusting. It's very much like Oregon. So anyways, just super happy to be hanging out with Dad, and that's about it. I don't know, you got anything to say, dude?
Work cut out for us, that's for sure. Woo.
Yes. Yeah, yesterday Richard Tice's dad brought out a whole snowmobile trailer full of more stuff. I didn't really remember most of it that I had, so we unloaded that yesterday and worked around the house and did a bunch of stuff and ran some errands. And today here we are. Just got done putting most of the kitchen together, getting stuff put away for the most part, and now we're gonna come out here for a little bit and go and try and have a little bit of fun while we're here. So anyways, awesome. Love y'all. I'm gonna spend some time with Dad, and you know what it is, so I'll be back as soon as I can. I'll be running to Portland tomorrow, and I'm sure I'll be around and here and there and everywhere. So love y'all. Thank you everybody for your support. Thank you everybody that came out to 13 Virtues. Got an awesome ride video. Thank you WC211 Chris for taking that rad video. So got some kind of decent wheelie footage. They weren't running out real long, but we had a blast riding there. So thank you everybody that came out to 13 Virtues, and thank you at Sporty Mob for Levi for helping support that, and Kent, PDX China Bagger, and everybody else to help support that and grow that bike night. It's turned into something pretty cool. Just a bunch of good people having fun talking about motorcycles. So anyways, thank you everybody. I'm gonna get out of here and I am gonna clean this garage up. So have a great day. Talk to you later.